We want to make the eyes. So the eyes are just two simple boxes of a very small size. So just create a tiny box and move it in the eye spots. So again, just take your time to place it correctly and scale it correctly. So we got one. To make the second one, instead of making a new box, we will just copy it. So you can click on the box or the eye, click Ctrl+C on the keyboard, and then Ctrl+V. You can then move the new box that appeared, and you have two. You could also use mirror if you want, but I find this is faster. Then just move it and click enter. To make this mouth here, we will use subtract together with the small box to remove the small pieces that you can see here. So make a box with a small dimension like this. Then we will place it correctly in front of the face. Over here, rotate it, and go to the front view and move it over here. So it needs to go a bit inside the head so that we will remove that part of the material. When it's fine, you click enter. So now we have just one, but we want a few more. So to make multiple copies very quickly, you can select your object, then go to pattern, rectangular pattern. It will ask you for solid, which you already selected as the box, and a direction, which can be any line on your, any edge, any line, anything that goes in the direction you want to copy. So in our case, we can choose this one, for example, and you will then be able to drag this arrow to choose how far you want the last box to be. So we want it to go until here, and you can choose how many do you want. I will put in 10, 9. This looks good, and then click enter. We also need to remove this from, we need to make holes. We don't want anything sticking out here. So go up to subtract, select the head as the target, and for the source you will choose all these small boxes. So just click them one by one and then click enter. So here you see we got the same amount.